WINFX Trading YouTube channel. Today I'm bringing you a life-changing strategy. I'm bringing you a life-changing trading system which I have developed. Right now this is jump in the 75. I'm not going to show you the strategy like the indicators and all of that. Is a premium strategy. You need to buy $5. It will be forwarded to your WhatsApp or your email or any platform you are using. You can see I've made over $30 just using this strategy, even though I entered those trades late. Now these are the indicators that allowed me to actually make this profit, and I did not lose. You see, I'm going to make more profit on this trade. So if you are not happy about blowing away your account, if you can lose $10 trading boom and crash or V75 or any other asset, why not invest $5? $5 you invest buying these indicators and strategy, we make you we give you up to, let me call it, you are going to be making up to more than $1,000 per day just trading jump index. Why not invest in this strategy? I don't have much, but this is what I have for you. If you really want to buy the strategy, because in the strategy it is made up of parts. The first part talk about what jump 75 index is all about, and the risk management, like which lot size should you use and which equity should you use to start trading jump index. So then the second course is the strategy, like the indicators you need to set up and how to and when to buy and sell. So that's what the second video is all about. So I think this is what I have for you. I'm just advertising this strategy. If you are really in need of it, I want you to chat me, join my Telegram channel, just private chat me. You have my Telegram handle in the description of this video, and also the Telegram channel in the description of this video. Chat me privately, I will get to you. Also, you can contact me via WhatsApp. You can see it also in the description of the video. I will make sure your life change automatically. So thank you and thank you.